Kim? Nima? Qachon? Qayerda? Assalomu alaykum. Yangi darsimizga xush kelibsiz. Bugun biz siz bilan savollarni o'rganamiz. We are learning question words today and let's see the list. And I think you know some of the words in this list. For example, nima. Nima is like what? Nima? What? Nima? What? What did you say? I didn't understand. Nima. Yeah? But we have whole list, so let's see. And in English, we have W questions. In Uzbek, I would say Q questions. Now, there are lots of that start with Q. Okay, the first one in my list is Kim. Kim is who? Kim. And I'm not saying Kim. I'm saying Kim. Short A. Kim. Nima. Again, short A. Nima. 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 Qachon. Qachon. When? Qachon. Nimaga. Nima uchun. Nega. It can be either why or what for. Like what did you do it for, right? The next one is qanday or qanaqa. What kind? Qaysi, which. Again, qaysi, not qaysi. Qaysi. Qancha, nechta, how much or how many. Qancha, how many. How much, and nechta is how many. Then these two, they are alike. Just see that the last 3 or 2 letters are different. And this one, ga, where to, qayerga. And qayerdan, where from. Where to? Uyga, bozorga, studiyaga, maktabga. Where from? Uydan, ofisdan, bozordan, right? Coming from somewhere. And in Uzbek, we have cases. In case you are, that helps you. It's just some of the questions we just talked, they belong to specific cases. For example, we talked about this one, right? And this is ablative case. We call it chiqish kelishiga. Now, let's read in one by one. Kimning, nimaning, qayerning. You can translate this into English. Whose. Kim, it's a person. Nima, it's it, right? But in English, we just say whose or its. Then next one is dative case. Where to. Kimga, nimaga, qayerga. To where to whom, right? This to direction. Then we have accusative case. Kimni, nimani, qayerni. And in English, that's just who, what, where, because there's no ne, like concept. But we do have it a lot with specific verbs. We just need to add ne. For example, ait. Uzbek tilini o'rganyapman, right? Uzbek tilini o'rganyapman. I'm still learning Uzbek. Uzbek tilini o'rganyapman. And with ait could be men. I just remembered the song. Sevgingni menga ait. Tell me about your love. But in English, it's about your love. But in Uzbek, it's not about. So tell me the love you have to me, right? So this is accusative case. Then we have locative case, where your location is. And we add da, nimada, kimda, qayerda. And then this one. Kimdan, nimadan, qayerdan. Let me know if you like learning Uzbek with grammar rules, because sometimes it gets even more confusing. Because I think it's more like, Russian type of system where these questions, they help us find out the cases. But sometimes we use these endings in other situations too. Okay, let's look at the words, at the question words and examples. Kim? Bu kim? Bu Saida. Bu kim? Bu Saida. Bu nima? Bu nima? Bu kitob. Qachon? Qachon? Soat 1da. Or we could also say soat nechida. What time, right? When do we meet? What time? But that's whether you're asking clearly, the answer has to be time. Or if it's just qachon, when are we meeting? Qachon. And answer is soat 1da. But this question can be also when are we meeting? We're meeting on Monday. Dushamba kune, and pay attention, we're not saying Dushamba kune da. Here, that's what I meant when I said that we add da to in other places too, because according to the table of the cases, it's locative, right? And we're talking about time. Okay, somehow close. Qachon? Dushamba kune. Dushamba, not Dushamba kune da. Okay, nega, nimaga, why? Why you didn't tell me? Nimaga aytmadingiz? Nega aytmadingiz? Bilmadim. I don't know. Nima uchun? Nima uchun Zoom bo'lmadi? Why Zoom didn't happen? Why didn't Zoom take place? Nima uchun? Qanday? What kind? Qanday kino ko'ramiz? What kind of movie are we going to watch? Qanday kino? Qaysi? Which? Qaysi uy? 23mi, 22mi? Qaysi? When you are choosing between two. Nechta? How many? Nechta mashinang bor? Bitta. Nechta farzanding bor? Bitta. How many kids you have? Nechta bolangiz bor? One. Qayerda? Where? Cafe qayerda? Cafe Uzbek metrosida. The cafe is on Metro Uzbek. Qayerga? Where to? Cafega. Cafega? Cafega. And that's it. I think we need to go back to the first slide and read them again so you can revise them and then we can conclude. Okay, let's read this one more time. Kim? Bu kim? Bu Saida. Bu nima? Bu kitob. Qachon? Soat 1da. Qachon? Dushanba kuni. Nega aytmadingiz? Nima uchun Zoom bo'lmadi? Qanday kino ko'ramiz? Qaysi uy? 23mi? Yo 22mi? Qaysi? Nechta mashinang bor? Bitta. Kafe qayerda? Qayerda? Qayerga boryapsiz? Siz qayerga? Cafega. So this is my list, and it was quite not overwhelming, considering that I really want to keep it short and easy and light. Let me know what you think about it, whether you found something new or you knew all of this. If you had questions, if you have questions, let me know, and I will go through one by one your comments and read them. Men sizlarning kommentarilaringizni hammasini o'qiyman, hammasiga javob beraman, hammasiga like qo'yaman. Siz ham bizga like bosing. Va odatdagidek Instagram sahifamizda sizni xush ko'rdik. Keyingi darsda ko'rishguncha xayr, sog' bo'ling.